Just dropped by for a quick visit here at Church Square. They're renovating the clubhouse today. Can't wait for you guys to see this. They are hanging the chandeliers and getting that all in place. It's so bright and beautiful in here now. But just really excited. There's going to be 3 of these great chandeliers coming down the middle of the vaulted ceiling. But you can tell we just have a couple lights on and this space is just looking so great and bright now. Thanks.
You need help with that?
Super excited. They're getting ready to hang the chandeliers. Got all our painting done. Some of the old furniture still hanging around. Some bookcases. But just so much brighter and nicer looking in here. We're getting a new floor installed tomorrow. And then out here, they've got some site work going on. We've got the guys getting ready. We've got all the flat work done and they're just regrading, filling in with some soil around, getting ready to do some landscaping beds and get this area looking great. But now it's all connected. Nice large patio out here now, and kind of connect over here to the other side of the clubhouse where we have, we're going to have a grilling station and dining patio over here. And then on this side, coming around to the pool and that area. So super excited how this is all coming together. Getting ready for our open house, the newly renovated clubhouse on February 19th, 11 to 1.